Today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to split screen on Oppo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on this side one, okay, this three line. Just click on this three line and here you are going to find this dot, okay, two dot. Just click on this two dot and here click on split screen. When you move on this split screen, now you can move on Play Store. Okay, so this is the Telegram and this is the files. So from here now you can click the back button. This is the WhatsApp. Then right now you can move on. Wait, okay, suppose you want to move on the YouTube, right? So I move on YouTube and here too you can move on this clean browser share. You can click anyone. See, you can watch the YouTube too. You can work also, even you can watch the YouTube also. Suppose I move on the Google, okay, so I move on this Google. Then after that now I move on WhatsApp. So this is the, just wait for a moment. So click on YouTube split screen and then now this one, let's move on Telegram. Okay, suppose I want to move on Telegram. So here is the Telegram and I want to watch some videos too. Okay, so here right now I'm going to play some videos. See, I play these videos and now you can make the Telegram also play. Okay, you can listen the music, you can open the Chrome, open the Play Store, anything. Okay, see. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.